Something unusual is happening in the world of personal computing, and most Windows users haven't fully realized it yet. For decades, Windows has been the default choice for everyday users, gamers, professionals, and businesses. It has been the familiar environment people grew up with, the system pre-installed on nearly every laptop and desktop, the platform that defined how we interact with computers. But beneath the surface, a quiet transformation has been unfolding, and it's now reaching a point where ignoring it is no longer possible. Linux, once considered a niche system for developers and tech enthusiasts, has evolved into something far more powerful, polished, and accessible. And the latest wave of upgrades in the Linux ecosystem is creating a shift that many Windows users simply aren't prepared for. To understand why this matters, you have to look at how dramatically Linux has changed in recent years. It's no longer the command line heavy, intimidating operating system that required hours of troubleshooting just to get basic tasks done. Modern Linux distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, Linux Mint, and others have transformed into user-friendly platforms with sleek interfaces, intuitive navigation, and seamless installation processes. In many cases, installing Linux today is just as easy, if not easier, than setting up Windows. The upgrade experience itself is smooth, fast, and remarkably stable. But what truly sets this new generation of Linux apart isn't just ease of use, it's the philosophy behind it. While Windows continues to move toward a more controlled, service-based ecosystem, Linux is moving in the opposite direction, giving users more freedom, more customization, and more control over their systems. This contrast is becoming sharper with every update. Windows upgrades often come with new restrictions, background processes, telemetry concerns, and hardware requirements that leave older devices behind. Linux upgrades, on the other hand, are designed to extend the life of hardware, improve performance, and give users the ability to tailor their systems exactly how they want. This is where the gap between expectations and reality begins to grow for Windows users. Many are used to a certain way of computing where the operating system dictates the experience, and customization is limited to what is officially allowed. But the latest Linux upgrades challenge that entire mindset. Imagine an operating system where you can choose your desktop environment, control system updates down to the smallest detail, remove any component you don't need, and optimize performance for your specific hardware. For someone coming from Windows, this level of control can feel both empowering and overwhelming at the same time. Performance is another area where Linux upgrades are catching many people off guard. On the same hardware, Linux often runs faster and more efficiently than Windows. Systems that struggle with the latest version of Windows can feel completely revitalized when running Linux. Boot times are shorter, applications launch quicker, and system resources are used more efficiently. This isn't just a minor improvement, it can fundamentally change how a computer feels to use. For users with older laptops or desktops, this upgrade can make the difference between a device being obsolete and being fully usable again. Gaming, once considered the biggest barrier to Linux adoption, is no longer the obstacle it used to be. With the rise of technologies like Proton and improvements in graphics drivers, a huge portion of the Windows gaming library is now playable on Linux. Platforms like Steam have invested heavily in making Linux a viable gaming platform, and the results are undeniable. Many popular titles run smoothly, sometimes even outperforming their Windows counterparts due to lower system overhead. This shift is something many Windows gamers haven't fully processed yet. The idea that Linux could be a serious gaming platform challenges years of assumptions. Security and privacy are also playing a major role in this shift. Windows users are increasingly aware of issues related to data collection, forced updates, and system vulnerabilities. Linux, by design, offers a different approach. It's open source, meaning the code is publicly available for inspection. This transparency leads to a level of trust and security that is difficult to replicate in closed systems. Updates are typically smaller, more frequent, and focused on stability and security rather than major disruptive changes. For users who value privacy and control over their data, this is a significant upgrade. Another factor that makes this transition challenging for Windows users is the ecosystem of software. For years, Windows has dominated in terms of application availability, especially for certain professional tools. But that landscape is changing. Many popular applications now have Linux versions, and open-source alternatives have matured to the point where they can compete with, and sometimes surpass their proprietary counterparts. Web-based applications have also reduced the dependency on any specific operating system. While there are still cases where Windows-specific software is necessary, the gap is narrowing rapidly. One of the most surprising aspects of this Linux upgrade is how it changes the relationship between the user and the system. Windows users are accustomed to a passive experience where the system handles most decisions in the background. Linux encourages a more active role. It invites users to understand their system, to customize it, to experiment, and to take ownership of their computing environment. This shift can be intimidating at first, but it's also what makes Linux so powerful. Once users become comfortable with this approach, it's difficult to go back. The upgrade process itself is another area where Linux stands out. Unlike major Windows updates that can take a long time and sometimes introduce new issues, Linux upgrades are typically faster and more reliable. Many distributions offer rolling releases, where updates are delivered continuously rather than in large, disruptive chunks. This means users always have access to the latest features and improvements without needing to reinstall the operating system or go through lengthy upgrade processes. Hardware compatibility, once a concern for Linux users, has improved significantly. Modern Linux distributions support a wide range of devices, from laptops and desktops to servers and even embedded systems. Manufacturers are increasingly recognizing the importance of Linux support, and drivers are more readily available than ever before. For many users, installing Linux on their existing hardware is a straightforward process that works out of the box. What makes this situation particularly interesting is the timing. As Windows continues to evolve with stricter requirements and a more service-oriented approach, Linux is becoming more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. This convergence is creating a moment where the traditional dominance of Windows is being challenged in ways that were previously unimaginable. The latest Linux upgrades are not just incremental improvements, they represent a fundamental shift in what an operating system can be. For Windows users, this presents both an opportunity and a challenge. The opportunity is to explore a new way of computing that offers greater freedom, performance, and control. The challenge is adapting to a different mindset and learning new tools and workflows. It's not just about switching operating systems, it's about changing how you think about your computer. There's also a psychological aspect to this transition. Many users have invested years in learning Windows, building workflows, and becoming comfortable with its interface and behavior. Switching to Linux requires stepping out of that comfort zone. It involves a period of adjustment, where familiar tasks may feel unfamiliar, but this is also where the potential for growth lies. Learning Linux can open up new possibilities, from understanding how operating systems work to gaining skills that are highly valued in the tech industry. The community around Linux is another important factor that sets it apart. Unlike proprietary systems, Linux is supported by a global community of developers and users who contribute to its development, share knowledge, and help each other solve problems. This collaborative environment creates a sense of ownership and participation that is rare in the world of software. For new users, this means access to a wealth of resources, tutorials, forums, and support channels. As this Linux upgrade continues to gain momentum, it's becoming clear that the gap between Linux and Windows is not what it used to be. In many areas, Linux has caught up or even surpassed Windows. This doesn't mean Windows is going away anytime soon, but it does mean that users now have a viable alternative that deserves serious consideration. The question is not whether Linux can replace Windows, but whether users are ready for what Linux now offers. The latest upgrades have removed many of the barriers that once kept people away. What remains is a shift in perspective, a willingness to try something different, and an openness to learning. For those who take the leap, the experience can be transformative. A system that feels faster, more responsive, and more aligned with their needs. An environment where they are in control rather than being controlled. A platform that evolves with them rather than dictating how they should work. And for those who choose to stay with Windows, the rise of Linux still matters. Competition drives innovation, and the improvements in Linux are pushing the entire industry forward. Features that were once unique to Linux are influencing other operating systems, leading to better experiences for everyone. In the end, this isn't just about an upgrade. It's about a shift in the balance of power in the computing world. A shift that challenges long-held assumptions and opens the door to new possibilities. Windows users may not be ready for it yet, but it's happening nonetheless. And as Linux continues to evolve, the question will become harder to ignore.